How to import products on Wix Studio. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically we can just go ahead and create products, import them, and do all of these things for our Wix Studio. So if you want to move from one platform to another, it could be made easy with this. So the first thing is going to be creating your store on your Wix Studio. So all you need to do is just go ahead and open up your main dashboard for Wix Studio. Click on the site that you want to import products to. So in this case, I'm just going to go for this one. And then you just want to go to the apps section. Now, if you already did create your Wix stores or online store, you can skip ahead. But if not, then you can just go ahead to your apps section, click on online store, and you should find the Wix stores option. I believe you can also do it with the online store, but I'm just going to be using this one. Click on it and just install it. Click on add to site, give it the permissions needed, and you basically want to add it to your site. And then once that's done, we can just go ahead and go back to our main dashboard, give it a restart real quick, and let's just wait for it to load. And now we can actually see a new window should be shown here for us, which is the catalog menu. We did not have that previously, but now we do. So just go ahead and click on catalog. And now once you see catalog section, you will find all the dummy products that are going to be available. They do offer you with a few of them. If you want to delete them, you can feel free to do so. If you don't, it's completely up to you basically. But now we can feel free to import our products. Now to do so, it's very simple. You can just go to more actions and then you just want to click on import. Obviously, you can also export your products, but we want to generally import here. So click on import. And then the second step here, it should be the one that we should follow, which is upload your products with a CSV file that matches the format that Wix provides, which if you want to see the format, you can download a CSV file with the products that are available if you want. So just go ahead and make sure you click on upload CSV file like so, and you basically just want to upload the file. It's that simple. And now you pretty much did import your products on your Wix Studio. Now if you want to create products, is a different story. You just want to click on new product on the top right, select the type of product, whether physical or digital, and then you would want to basically just go ahead and add the proper information for it. So the title of it, the media for it, for images and videos, you can give it a name, description, and all of these things that you would with any different product. Now I believe there's also a different way to do so, but I'm not sure about it. If this one does not work for you for any type of reason, in that case you can also go ahead and search for the apps. Maybe you will find I believe I did see somewhere that you can import products using one of the apps that are available on Wix Studio. But either way, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.